This is the first time I'm streaming in the afternoon, and I guess my target audience is asleep, so obviously nobody is going to watch this video. But it doesn't matter anyway because nobody watches my video anyway. So, just in case I wouldn't have forgotten what was the last thing I was doing, I wrote it down on a sticky note. I had found out that the highlighter tag was highlighter clone. So that is what I was supposed to remove this whole time. Okay. So where was the place where I had written that highlighter clone has to be deleted? Delete. Here it is. Wait, what? Oh, wait a minute. What are you telling me? I had not written it anywhere. Okay, maybe I had not written it anywhere, so now I will write it down. So when was it supposed to be deleted? I think it was when I hold on. First of all, before I even commence, I should start my Twitch real quick. I go to my channel. I reduce the volume of my phone, and then I fire up my Twitch so that now I can read the comments, which is obviously not going to come. So I'm doing this for absolutely no reason. Hmm. Okay, I fit in the screen. So the last thing that I was doing was there has to be a way to delete the subjects when the thing has been selected. All right. So mm, okay, let's see what happens now. Well, to create device file. Why are you even saying that? I have never even. God damn it! Why do I keep what? The semi. Oh, wait. Hmm. This bracket comes over here. This bracket comes over here. This bracket comes over here. How many brackets are there? 63. These are 61. What? Okay. So okay, right. I have to. Sorry. Now what? Are you gonna still make excuses? You are so busy. You have absolutely no time for me. Value is assigned but is never used. Nobody cares about that. So this. that time. Why is nothing getting deselected? Oh, let's see what happens. Oh, no, that was go ahead. I'm so stupid. Hold on. So, how do I make this appear? Let's see. This is a well. Oh, by the way, can I change what my Visual Studio code looks like? I do remember there was an option somewhere over here. Appearance, yeah, here it is. What's a Zen mode? Oh, appearance, the editor layout. Nah, right answer. Android layout. What's breadcrumbs? Huh? What just happened? Okay, that line which tells the path has gone. Okay, nobody wanted it anyways. Doesn't really matter. That didn't really make. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, I wasn't even looking in this direction. Okay, so what else can I change? Oh, yes, word wrap is really needed. I never realized it though. Huh. Okay, so Nivax, I just got a bit distracted. What was that? Hi, Zevi boy. Hi, hi. So, I have to make the game objects get destroyed. But how? That's the question. Um, could you test my web app for? What is your web app? Hmm. algonewbie.com. Okay. Sir Array the Terrible, a master manipulator of arrays whose wickedness knows no bounds. He delights in inflicting torturous problems on his adversaries, leaving his foes tangled in a web of complexity. Accompanying him is his trusty slug Slimothy. I'd start here, find index, for loop. Okay, this looks pretty cool. What is this all about? Okay, sure, I can. Um, what is it called? Algo. Yes, I have written it correctly. Algo. Hey, why didn't it work? Uh, Let me check if. Yeah, I have written the www over here. I don't know. I mean, it's working on my phone, but not on the PC. Okay, I'll try. So if I remove this, yes, it has worked. Now, the array, the terrible. Master on the. Okay, I've already read this. Add start here, type warm up, find index, get frequency to. Okay, so what am I supposed to like? Click over here, add start. Okay, so write a function that takes in two integers and return their sum. Var function num1 num2 return num1 num2. Okay, that is correct. So if I press submit, it will pass. I have done this word. Okay, next is write a function that takes an array of integers and targets a value. The array will contain exactly one unique occurrence of the target value. Your priority is to find turn the target value in the array. Okay. Write a function that takes in an array of integers and a target value. Okay. So, function target. Is this in JavaScript, by the way? What are the other options? Python set. I did remember JavaScript, but I think now I have forgotten it. Array is equal to 25623. I think this is how you're supposed to do it, right? Return target. Okay, so it has to target one unique occurrence. Like, does it have to be the only one which is appearing in this? I mean, there are like in this code, the highest number is 6, the lowest number here is 0. So exactly what has to be done over here? 2, 3. Write a function that takes an array of integers and target value. So what does it have? Find index 1 equals to equal to 0. So what happens if I write this? Wait, this goes here, then this, comma, 1. This is what I do? Oh, I have no idea what I just ended up doing. Oh, are there more comments below? No, this was the last one. Hmm. Right now, the only one I am doing right now, the programming language is C Sharp. I have done JavaScript in the past back when Unity used to support JavaScript, but now it's all faded. Actually, it's just that my English is not so good to understand what the question is even asking. I think it is asking me to take a number of integers, and after that, I have to, and there has to be a target value. It will tell what the position is on the target, right? So, for example, if it will say that if for loop, right? For int I, god damn it, is equal to wait equal to 0, I is less than hmm, what would you say, array dot find index equal to this. Oh, I never knew about this one. Array dot find index, and the element would be the target, right? This thing. So this would be the curly bracket and whatever the target is, right? Array, wait. Or let's just put it element. I hope this code is correct. God damn it. Let me see if I can do it on Python. In Python, you don't put semicolon, so your this has to be like for I. What was the syntax for Python for loop? Yeah, right. For I in array colon, and then if um, array I is equal to target. Oh wait, you put colon once again. Um, print array. Wait, array I. Oh wait, I would say uh, return array. I think this should be correct. I really hope this is correct. God damn it. I think I should just stick to JavaScript. Hmm, what was a JavaScript for loop and JavaScript for scope? For I equals 0, then you have condition which will be I less than, mm, let's just say dot length. Okay, right. Array dot length, and then I plus equals 1. Okay, now we have if array I equals to target, return I. I think this should be the correct code, right? I really hope this is correct. Yes, I just didn't know the syntax. So the next thing it is saying, write a function that takes in an array of integers. Okay, under target value. Hmm. So your task is to return the number of occurrences. Okay, how many times that number comes up? That's right. Number of occurrences of the target value. So for example, 2 is here, those many times. Fine. Yeah, now that I know how to do it, it's pretty much easy. I is less than array dot length semicolon I plus equals 1. Now it will be if uh, array dot I, sorry, array I equals target. Oh yeah, I'll make one more here. Var number of times equals 0. Now if array comes true, then number of times plus equals to 1. And after this we do return number of times. This should be correct, I hope. Ah, no. Write a function that takes in an array of integers where every element appears twice except for one element that appears only once. A function should return a single unit. It says an array of element. Yeah, one element that appears only once. Okay, fine. For var I equals 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. If oh, we are gonna have to do a double loop for, I guess. Then for var j equals 0, j is less than I. Oh wait, j is also less than j plus plus. Okay, now we are gonna start. If um, array dot I is equal to array dot j. Now I put a dot over here, and array j is equal to I plus, right. And the other thing will be this. Oh wait, this should be fine. So if array I is equal to array j, then counter plus equals 1. And yeah, we'll add one more bracket over here, so it can be added over here. If the equal to array okay, I hope this is correct. I've written it too much complicated. What? How? If I write a number which is zero, I mean, let's take this string for example. So first it will check there is two. Okay, it will see is there a dictionary in this, or do I have to see it separately? Hmm. I should see from. Is this the one? This one. Predict is the name of the object. Initial getting a dictionary. Okay. Hmm. So I create a dictionary and then a new value gets added, and to delete it would be just delete it. Okay, fine. So let's do it from the beginning. First, I create a var. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, is it new or what was it? Add a value to something. Dot I is equal to new value. So this is how I declare the element for var dec, like this way. If my dec is undefined, is this how you're saying it? Mhm. I don't think that is what I was supposed to do. Okay, okay, like this. Wait, oh, I just have to. Wait, I didn't even return the value. Remove. It's from over here, and this is what it has to be. So, oh, was I supposed to return something to? Everyone is good, Pando. Okay, at least I passed one test for some reason. Let's try doing it the my way. Let's see if it works or not. First off, there's gonna be a for loop which says var I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, and I plus equals 1. And then we'll have another for loop with var j is equal to 0, j is less than array dot length, and j plus equals 1. So my idea over here is that, for example, this is where I will start from. So j will also start from here and then start counting one by one. And if the number of times that it finds the same value is more than 1, then obviously it means that the number has been repeated more number of times. So because of that, it would not be the single element. So if any one which has repetitions as only one, then that will be the correct answer. If, oh wait, I was supposed to add 0 to it. One has to come in the end. If array I is equal to array j, repetitions plus equals 1. So every time this loop goes all over, then what should happen is if repetitions greater than 1, wait, if repetitions equal, then return what should I call it? Yeah, right. Array I. Then after that, now let's see if this works. Ha! I knew it. My method is always effective. So I could now remove this much part. It was lengthy, containing a lot of unnecessary bullshit, but ultimately it worked. I think that's how we could practically define programming. So now we move on to the next one. Write a function that takes in an array of integers and a target number. There are only two special numbers in the array that add up to the target number. Okay. So return the sum of the indices of the special numbers. Okay. So suppose you have this target and your target is 16. So 18 is 18 is equal to 8 plus 8. What is this? 8 is equal to array 5. Then 8 equals array 6. So 15 6 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So what's happening? Oh wait, this was supposed to be 16 is equal to 8 plus 8. That makes sense. Uh, okay, I get what I'm supposed to do. I start another for loop. Var I is equal to 0. I is less than array dot length I, and then we start a big bracket for var j is equal to 0, j is less than array dot j plus plus. Now, if wait, I should start create another bracket. If j y by the way, I do get a follow right now, right? Mhm. So if array I plus array j. Oh wait, this should be j is equal to I plus 1 plus b equals to target, then print I plus j. Is this what the question is asking? Return, sorry, return I plus j. I could remove the unnecessary brackets over here, make it even easier. Yes. Hey, are you still there? I have done all of it. Hey, Zevi boy. Hello. Hey. Oh, he has gone offline. Hold on. Should I write it in his chat? Followers only chat. Okay, fine. I'm following you. Um, like it or hate it. Heard all the question. Do I get a follow now? Okay. Where is my live stream? Yeah, here it is. Account created 4 days ago. Oh. Okay, so anyways, now that I have completed your thingy, whatever it is, it will be called. What was that also? Oh, I just beat the boss level. So, anyways, let's go back to what I was originally doing. Um, so, do pawn movement. I had to delete the game object which had this thing. I'm sorry, Panda. I cannot feed you anything. I mean, I don't even have any followers, so nobody's gonna give me any donation or something. So, hold now. Okay. So I think the reason why this code didn't work was because I have put both of these things in the same line. So of course the thing has to be that does it happen that when you click on get mouse button down, then your it counts for only as long as you have the mouse clicked and not what happens after you have finished clicking. Like if at the moment I stop clicking, it will go back to its status quo. This is the reason why selected something always becomes false whenever I leave my mouse. Hurry up already. Oh, by the way, it says steps taken that I've never used. And is it true, by the way? Steps taken. Yeah, right. It's I haven't used it even once, so that's just. What else do you say that I have never used? Number of steps. Yeah, right. It's pretty much useless, so let's just remove that also. And now I'm gonna stop this part, and I'll just focus on the bottom line. I think that is where you get the thing, right? Stop, stop right there. Okay, so like it's only true for that specific case. So that's exactly what I wanted. That's the problem. Um, so how do I fix this? Oh, oh, I think it's does it open? Please tell me it opens. Uh, this this dying, dying. Oh, I finally understood what I was supposed to do. This is where I was supposed to write it. One more line. Yes. Selected something becomes okay. Okay. If equals false. What the hell, bro? Select some. else if expected something was equal to hmm. So it is going to remove all of that which was there previously. So I guess the delete part has to come first. Delete has not been. Mm, okay, right. Destroy was the destroy is also another thought. Like, did I just delete that thing? What have I done? Oh, right, I was supposed to cut it, and I did something else instead. It's kinda hope it works. I'm running out of time. I have to prepare for my interview, which is from 1 p.m. What? Why didn't that work? If select something is false, true, then it becomes false, else it becomes true. Okay. Yeah, right. It's only going to affect the thing which has been picked. What should I do about this thing? So let me just write down what the last problem. Um, you are trying to make spider get destroyed. However, because of on the word they get heard moment you click anywhere right. It's very so now you have yeah. Okay, this way I'm going to remember what was the last thing I was doing, and now I can close this and go back to the other assignment. that Battlefield one, which I was doing a while ago. Mm, So now I have to show this to my interview. They had given me this as an assignment, which is why I have to do it. So now that I have to prepare for the stream, I think I should start getting ready. Bye.